The new V8 represents the combination of Ferrari's unparalleled naturally aspirated engine DNA with the efficiency of turbocharging. The result is benchmark performance thanks to a unique engineering approach. To improve the Ferrari California T's handling, the engine has been mounted 40 millimeters lower in the chassis to reduce the center of gravity. The result is sharper dynamics with minimal body roll. This is the first turbocharged engine with zero turbo lag for instantaneous throttle response. To achieve this goal, Ferrari adopted three unique engineering solutions. The new V8 sports low inertia twin-scroll turbochargers, which optimize the pressure peaks of the exhaust gases into the turbines to reduce lag. The classic Ferrari flat plane crankshaft provides even firing between the two cylinder banks, as well as lower rotating mass and inertia, and delivers sharper throttle response even at low engine revs. The design of the exhaust manifold, with equal length pipes to optimize the pressure waves into the turbochargers, helps eliminate perceived turbo lag. In line with Ferrari tradition, there's a soundtrack that gives unmistakable voice to this engine's unique soul. The flat plane crankshaft, together with the three-piece cast exhaust manifold and turbo housing, play a key role. The equal-length pipes boost combustion harmonics and optimize the exhaust note. Variable boost management adjusts the torque based on engine speed and the gear selected. More torque is gradually unleashed up through the gears with a maximum of 755 Newton meters delivered in sevenths, guaranteeing consistently progressive acceleration and lower consumption. The engine's exceptional performance was achieved by maximizing both combustion and mechanical efficiency. Combustion efficiency is guaranteed by high tumble inlet manifolds, which improve the airflow into the combustion chamber. Ion sensing and multi-spark functions provide adaptive spark advance and improved combustion across the rev range. The oil pump supplies oil at either high pressure or low pressure, reducing the hydraulic power requirements by 30%. Roller finger followers reduce the power absorbed by the valve train by 10%.